Boom, baby, Morad Fiki at our new house in Memorial. We are doing a total gut job and renovation. I can't wait for you to see this. This is phase one, ripping out the walls, the plumbing, the electrical, the sheetrock, all of the insulation. Check it out. Whoa, what is going on? You can see that we are just gutting this house. It is gonna be a total night and day makeover. I can't wait for you to see this process. You can see we're knocking down the walls, ripping out the sheetrock, pulling down the electrical, the plumbing will be coming out as well. And also the super old insulation is getting ripped out. They've taken about 10 bags of insulation and you can see it's still not done. But this is gonna be amazing. This is phase one. We're gonna open up the floor plan, totally renovate the kitchen and bathrooms, and it is gonna be amazing. So phase one, and I'm gonna keep you tuned through this project as we progress every week. You can see that we're also gonna be raising the ceiling, and it's gonna be amazing. So I can't wait for you to see this. These guys are doing a great job, and we're gonna keep you in tune. See you next week.